This video will show you how to trigger a live pop-up video event using our Elite Series access control board and an Elite Series recorder on SmartPSS. So we already have our access controller and an Elite Series recorder added to SmartPSS. Now we'll go ahead and go to Access. Now select Event. Select the controller and the door. So we'll select Door 1, and then we'll select Normal Event. And then select Lock Event. And then we'll go ahead and enable that. And select Link Video. And now this is the recorder that's already on our local network. And this is an Elite Series recorder. We'll go ahead and select the camera. Save. Okay, now that's loaded into the software here. We'll go ahead and close out of this. And now I'll go present the fob to the reader. And as soon as the door unlocks, the pop-up video will display. And that's how you use pop-up video with our access controller on an Elite recorder. Thank you for watching.